Wefty, is that you, yeah?
I know this is for sure, sure.
Cars previously been ceramic coated by us, so therefore it gets the citrus pre-cleaner. You can't use traffic film removers and stuff like that on cars with ceramic coatings. As you know by now, it just eats through the coating. So citrus is the way forward. It's just like rubbing a lemon on your car. On our premium maintenance washes, if you have sort of your standard car, we do a hand wax to give it the extra gloss. But if you have a ceramic coated car, we use our in-house ceramic detail top-up. It just gives it the extra bit of gloss. Boom! All the carbon bits need to be dried properly. They need to be dressed with our ceramic detail spray or hand waxed if you're not coated. Because all these little areas make such a difference to the shine. Even up here, I want to get in every single crevice of that grille. On a premium maintenance wash, customers want the absolute pinnacle of their car being clean for their money. And that's what we're able to offer by being willing to take the time to go around every single little gap on the vehicle. Right, so on our in-depth premium maintenance detail, we want you to have, your car to be perfectly clean. So even after we've cleaned the wheels, still a little bits left. Most places would just literally sling the tyre shine on now and say, see you later, thank you very much, £25 please. Obviously paying £45 for an exterior only, you want it absolutely right. So again, we love our ceramic stuff, bit of ceramic detailer, lather up the wheel with it, nice little raggy cloth, so we don't want to get brake dust on a nice cloth. Yes, my raggy cloths are this clean. And in all the wheel nuts, in all the little crevices again, you know how I like my crevices. And then get my finger in there like that. I'm going to get in every single spoke, every little area of the wheel, get it absolutely perfectly clean. And because we're doing this with the ceramic detailer, it is going to leave a protective barrier on the wheel, stop the brake dust sticking so much in the future, and it's going to make it a lot easier to clean the wheels next time. Once we've done with all the spokes, we'll then, as I'll show you in a second, perfectly clean for the price you pay. That's why we're a premium business offering premium packages to keep premium vehicles looking premium.